Welcome to another tutorial on how to create an email account inside a cPanel. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to your URL and / type in the / after your .com or .net and type in cPanel, and that's going to bring up a login screen which you'll type in your username and password, after which you'll end up inside of your cPanel like we're here. So next thing you want to do is you want to click on the email accounts, and when you're there you want to go ahead and type in any email address of your choice. This can be your first name followed by your last name, or any preference you might have. So we'll go ahead and we'll create a test password. We'll use the password generator, something that's going to be strong, and the password strength indicator is going to show us how strong the password is. If we are to type in something ourselves, for example, it's going to tell us that the password is weak, and it's also not long enough, and it's also going to tell us that the password doesn't match with the secondary password. So we'll paste it back in. The mailbox quota is going to be how much of a quota you want this mailbox to have. So you can set it as the default, whatever your default is with your web hosting provider, or you can change it to anything other than the default. You can also set it as unlimited, which is not recommended because then it can go overboard and your disk space might fill up rather fast. So leaving it as default is just fine, or you can increase it or decrease it at any time later down the road as well. You can, for example, change the quota at any time after you create the email account. So make sure that you do remember the password. If for whatever reason you forget it down the road, you can always log back in to the cPanel, click on the email accounts, and next to every mailbox you have, you can click on change password, and you'll be able to change it to anything you like that you can remember again. If you are not happy with the quota, you want to increase it, you can also change that down the road as well by clicking on the change quota button. If the mailbox is no longer required, you can always delete it. So thank you for watching. That's how you go about creating an email account using cPanel.